So everyone, if you've just tuned in, this is the fifth game of the tie. The Titans are up 3-1 and the Smashers have their backs against the wall. This is a must-win game for them to stay relevant and kind of hope that they can push this to a game breaker. So obviously Nikhil, team captain and icon player, and he clips Harsh. It's a soft straight shot, didn't get out the way in time unfortunately. It's 1-0. So on paper obviously we in Hyderabad are familiar with in the pickleball circuit. He's the Pickle Bay Open in Calcutta, and he's I think he's come back into town today. Tirtha managing to get that exchange at the net. And just off the bat, I mean, it's 4-0. It's a very confidently just moved out the way. Nikhil and Tirtha opting to play a stack formation. When they're at the kitchen line, I mean, that's something which is quite intimidating when you end up playing on the double side of things. And there you go. The shake and bake, as they call it. Hard drive from Tirtha. The ball pops up and Nikhil cuts in to finish that off. So we've been joined once again by Hriday. Yashant's on his way as well. So Hriday, this is a quick jump start. I mean, it's 8-0. The half is already done. Titans, I think they want to go home quick. This is a game for them to close this out and take a 4-1 lead and win the tie.
Yeah. It reminds me of the dominance they had during the challenger leg of the league. You remember they were just like invincible, and you would see that rare Nikhil smile from the sidelines. Now you see it from the court.
Yeah, and I think the smile's there a lot more today. His squad has put serious performance today. Jet Agent singles, Moksha, and the women's singles as well.
Rare laps perhaps, but they still have the second serve.
Second serve, it's a comfortable margin for them. Again, on paper, obviously, everyone's going to expect the Titans to take this tie. When you've got someone like Nikhil, who's so widely accomplished on the circuit, who's experienced, he's a coach.
Also, I wanted to ask you today, just to deviate a little bit, the score right now is at 10-0, but just to deviate a little bit, what do you think of the hosting tonight? The host team today is the Raptors, and they put up quite a show.
I mean, it's an unbelievable vibe today. There's like a nice section for people to eat and drink and chill. There's food, there's drink. There was, I didn't get a chance to watch it firsthand. I believe there was a spectacular time show. We could hear some drums. There was some ridiculous number of fireworks as well. But the thing that I love Raptors did, and I had a chance to say this to the team owner there as well. So we finished playing our match, and someone came over and handed me a little cardboard card, and I flipped it open, and it was a printed out picture of me in the match I had played 10-15 minutes before. So I thought that was a great touch. Major thanks to the Raptors for putting that together. It's a lovely gesture. And
That's
I mean,
that's part of the package. Also, before your match began, you must have noticed that they gave something called the Raptors recovery pack, recovery box.
correct. I missed mentioning that. I think there's some dry fruits in there. There's a couple of energy bars in there. Very, very nicely done. I mean, the fact that they're only playing one team but they're taking play it is a very nice gesture.
And as we speak, the Starry Smashers open their account by getting the first point.
Requesting captains to please.
So it's 10-1. I mean, at this point of time, I think all know the direction this game is moving in. What's been your takeaway for the fixtures? Obviously, we had a tight one earlier. Close games today on the center.
On center court, actually, I was rooting for the Dynamos because Dynamos have made it a speciality of theirs to come back from the brink of defeat. But I think that one men's singles match, great shot there, that by Tirtha, that one men's single match, I think there was a miscalculation of sorts, and that is what they had to pay the price for. But on court number 2, where we are right now, the first fixture was absolutely amazing. It was so heartening to see the All-Stars, who generally turn up with the biggest, the loudest, fans. Today they came back from 0-3 and they took it all the way till the game breaker. It was nice to see their captain, smile, have a good time.
But that once again. Yeah, but going back to that fixture, I think we were down 0-3. We knew Veda led the charge on that front, 15-1 in her singles match. Kind of brought the momentum back to our side, and then from there we were lucky enough to be able to execute.
What a
There's a circus shot there from Nikhil. Oh, he's managed to push that.
They'll have
wide,
to
but
wait just a little more. But just tell me this, as the Titans go home with this point, do you think something about the All-Star strategy in terms of them saving Samir for much later in the fixtures, do you think that helped them? Do you think it was a strategy thing?
And that's the tie, folks. It's 4-1 to the Titans. We still got a mixed doubles fixture coming your way, but this is now an unattainable lead to overcome for the Smashers.